ahead, go.
No.
Push the button. Push the button. Yeah. Yeah.
Right to the tree. She's gonna knock over that tree.
What do you think? You're cool pushing the button and looking backwards? Turn the wheel, Liv. You have to turn the wheel.
She's do tricks.
No standing.
She's ready to go off road. Oh.
Up? No, you can't. I think she's trying to pop a wheelie again. What's the matter? It's not going fast enough for you? It's not? Oh, okay.
Jeez.